Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you the demo for creating the vendor master record. As I have already mentioned earlier that I will create some demo video for you and upload to the channel. You may follow to that. Let's begin with this vendor master creation. So this is the initial screen. I'm taking you to the create the vendor master through the navigation tree instead of direct use of the transition code. So this will be easy to remember. So we have to come in accounting, financial accounting, then accounts payable after master record, and this is the creation transaction code FK0. This will be the screen which will appear first of all after clicking that transaction code. So we will take, since this is the external vendor creation, so I will put the vendor code manually over here, and same thing will be created as a master record. So I have used the code of 4 series, and accordingly I have used the account group B004. This account group controls the number range of the master data, under which number range code the vendor master will be created. Now I will press enter. This is the initial screen of the vendor which comes where it is asking for title, name, search term, address, post of box, postal code, like this. So here I will take, if we are creating a vendor of the individual person, then we will use the salvation Mr. If it is a company, then it will be as a company, or if this is any trade business, then we will use MS. So I will use here a company, like any company. We can tell that what anything about the hero company, hero, hero company. And the search term, if it is coming under this 4 code, then we can search here by the any TRANSPORTER. The house and street, anything you can, like let's say Gurgaon, Gurgaon. This is a postal city code. This is not too much required. If you have it, you can, country will be the India. The region, we can select the region from here. See, region Haryana is here. If we want to enter some more details, then we have to open this tree. Now we can put address tree. So let's say road number 23. This is just a dummy entry. Haryana. This we can put and proceed for the next field. This already has been done here. In communication, this is the option field. You may put some of the any telephone number or mobile number, any communication like this. This is a dummy entry. Any email, if you want to put here, you can put xxx@gma gmail.com, like this. So all the entries are now over in this field, and the first screen is complete. Then press enter. So this is the enter. This postal code is required. So put any postal code numeric. So currently, if you can put 110001, sorry, 1, then it will allow you to move with this next. So I will just cancel it. Now we come to the next part. This is the next screen where these numbers are need to be filled, but for finance person these are very optional things, so we don't have to maintain. But if we have a PAN number of the supplier, then we have to go here in details, in withholding tax. Here we can enter the PAN number, any PAN number. Now if it is applicable to GST, you may leave it blank, or if it is not applicable to GST, just take the help If it is registered, then put blank. If not registered, put 0. So I am leaving it blank, that I assume that this is vendor belongs to GST. It has a GST registration. Then go to the next part. This is vendor bank details. This bank details is required to enter in this area, because if any payment need to pay to the vendor, the bank account is necessary for that. Put any account holder, put any of the HSBC to HSBC. This is the IFC code basically. Put net 23537. I think it's 11 digits, right? I think already 11 digits is complete. So in reference piece, this field contains the bank address where it belongs generally. Now this is complete. Now it will take you to the another screen. This is a very important screen. Here we put the reconciliation account, that is GL account, and whatever the transaction is being conducted or transaction is posted under this vendor code, that will automatically flow to this reconciliation account and it will flow to the finance. So I will select by using the F4. Here the trade creditors, lots of creditors. I will select this one. So this is the sort key. This is required to filter the type for the reporting part. Cash management group, if you have, then put it here. Let's say domestic. This is required for this reporting part and payment part. This field is being optional to you. If this vendor, this vendor would have been related to the employee master data or employee vendor, then this field is very required for that. Here personal number of the employee will be filled, so that this vendor code is linked with the personal number of the employee. If the data is posted in HR and salary is processed on a certain employee number, then this data automatically flowed is vendor code. Come to the next screen. This is payment term. If you wish to put some payment term, then you can put over here. Just double check tolerance group. If you have a tolerance group, you can put over here. We have one tolerance group. We can put like payment methods. If we can use TC, that is T belongs to the bank transfer, C is check. So I believe that most of the things are over. This is a dunning part. This is optional in case of vendor, but this is somewhat required in case of customer, because dunning is a letter which is sent to the customer for demanding the incoming payment. So this is the complete. Now we can proceed. This is a withholding part. If this vendor is belong to the TDS and is applicable for TDS, then we can put here a country, and we can put the withholding tax type. We have two types of withholding tax. One is for the payment and one is for the invoice. So let's see here. We use C9, CD, C9, CD. To activate this tax, we need to just check this one and press enter. Now this is applicable for 2% TDS on invoice as well as payment. Now save this data. See, a message comes that vendor this was created in the company code. So this is the main idea that I want to bring you notice, that in this, with the help of this thing, you can create a vendor. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. So this is all. In my next demo video, I will prepare for the customer master. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.